Hi friends, I am Jain, Senior Faculty, Electronics, Computer Hardware, Motherboard Chip Level Training, everything in electronics. I was started my institute in 1975 in Gujarat. Now I am working with Skill India. Okay, yesterday I was uploaded this motherboard's short video. I got thousands of uh, views within 1 hour. It was a great. I am happy for this. All viewers and likers and subscribers, you can WhatsApp me if any problem in your motherboard. I can give you and I can give you the knowledge about motherboard, and you can join my group motherboard repairing. Okay friends, thank you very much. Jen, GC, Jen's idea.